Hi, my name is Rick Hein and I'm a lawyer in the city of St. Louis, Missouri, in the great American Midwest. Greetings and welcome to this informational video. I hope it serves to inform you about what you should do in case you've suffered a work comp injury in the state of Missouri. In this short video, I'm going to tell you what you should do immediately and the steps to follow if you're unfortunate enough to hurt yourself at work. So to begin, in the first place, how should you behave if you're injured at work? The first thing you have to do, and this is fundamental, is to let someone know. This can be the boss, the owner, the manager, the shift supervisor, or anyone else in charge at work. The point is that somehow you have to let the employer know. This is called giving notice. The law says that an injured worker must give notice within 30 days of the date of the accident at most. If you don't give notice, your case may be over before it even begins. That's why the best practice is always to report any work accident to the employer immediately instead of waiting. The worst damage our clients make to their own cases is delaying. It's fine to give this notice verbally, although if you ask for medical attention and they don't send you out for treatment, normally the advice would be to turn in a signed and dated letter to the boss letting him know in writing about the accident and injury, and also keeping a copy for yourself. This way you can avoid the issue of he said, she said about whether you had let the boss know or not. Many of our clients hurt their cases by remaining silent if they get hurt at work. They might be thinking, it's not that big a deal, or maybe the pain will go away after some time. This is a pretty natural way of thinking about things. But it doesn't help out the injured worker much because if you don't give notice immediately, you can be unwittingly giving their lawyers legal defenses to use against you even if you have a very legitimate case, which you can avoid simply by letting the employer know an accident happened. Also, our clients usually can't make medical diagnoses themselves since generally they're not doctors. That's why it's so much better to say, hey, I hurt myself at work on such and such a day, doing X, can you please send me out to the company doctor for an appointment? This simple little phrase can help avoid legal problems in the future if you figure out later that what you have is more serious than what you originally thought. So to review, don't remain silent. Tell the boss about the accident. You work hard to earn a living and support your family. If you're injured at work, your injuries or medical bills can make it hard to get ahead. Please call us at the phone number on the screen to talk about your case. It will be our privilege and our honor to serve you. Also, don't forget to look at the other informational videos we have on the different areas of law in which we practice. Good luck, best wishes, and thank you again for visiting our website.